We're MW HomeSchool,
and we're giving families an online option for public education, where schools provide students can thrive, find their passion, students with the personalized attention they deserve. Students can thrive, find their passion, and learn in an environment that encourages discovery at their own pace. These schools may not be for everyone, but they're here for anyone. Future business leaders, programmers, writers, kids of all abilities. Whether you're facing a challenge or want to be challenged, in the heart of the city or the far corner of the state, they'll meet you where you are, and together we'll journey to where you can be.
MW HomeSchool.
Education for anyone.